Here's how you can change the display color scheme layout for your Poco phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. To get started, you'll want to go ahead and use the quick access by pulling down from the top right, and you'll see the settings toggle right here. With the new HyperOS 2, you will want to go down to the display settings as it always was. And once you're in this section here, depending on your phone model, you will look for where it says screen and you'll see color scheme right here. Now, once you enter into the color scheme section here, you're going to see some different options. And you have a few at the top here that will allow you to just have this overall preset of colors. You got the original one, you got the vivid one, and you can use this photo to kind of get an idea of how much of a difference they will make. So original, vivid, and you got saturated here. Then for some models, as I said, not every phone model will have this one here, you'll see the advanced settings. You want to tap on this little arrow right here, and as you do this here, when you select it first and you go into it here, you'll see more options. And then you've got the original P3 here and the sRGB. You also have RGB settings here in which you can adjust yourself. And you have a few more here, which once you know what you're looking for, how you want your display to go about, you got the saturation here, value, contrast, and you got the gamma here. Now, if you made so many changes and it didn't come out how you want it to be, you can just simply go with discard the changes and it will go back to how it was originally, or also restore to the default settings as it was. So these would be your advanced display settings. If you want to experiment with that, go ahead and let me know in the comments section which one came out nice for you. You'll also notice under the advanced section here, you won't be able to make changes to the color temperature, but with the first top three here, you can have access to the color temperature. Now what this does also, it kind of gives a sort of different white tint here. The cool will give you a white blue, whereas the warm will kind of give you a slightly bit of an orange yellow tint. You got the default, which sets right into the center here, and custom, you can just simply move this circle around and choose the one that you want. And that's basically it for this guide here. You can always come back and make changes to these settings, like and sub.